All right, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I would like you to introduce yourself to the camera.
Simply called Share.
Okay. S-A-S-E-Y-E. Wonderful, wonderful. So, Mr. Share, where are you today right now?
This is Shasha Forest, to the best of my knowledge.
Okay,
somewhere in Osun State.
Osun State, yes.
Far away Osun State.
Yes, so
close to Ife.
Yes, close to Ife.
Araromi area.
Yes. You're actually correct.
Okay, I joined the team to actually come inspect the farmland by Dufma. That's what we've been doing for some minutes now, and I guess it's a wonderful sight to behold. I'm glad I did.
Good afternoon, Ma. Please, can you tell us your name?
Good afternoon. My name is Mrs. Malowa.
Okay. So you've been to the farm tour, you've been to the farm sites, you've seen all the developments that are currently happening. We'd like to just get your feedback on what you felt.
But I was amazed.
I'm Damilola Bolade. I'm a farm landowner at the Dufma free farmland.
Yes, so you're part of the free farmland winners that won the land from the Dufma Greener Summit.
Sir, good afternoon. Can you tell us your name?
My name is Aziz Obatunde.
Okay, so we're just making a video we just want to know your feedback on what this farm tour is. You've been to the farm sites, you've seen recent developments that are happening. What is your feedback? What were the things you felt with regards to what you saw on the farm?
I feel great, honestly, because it's been an impressive view.
Sir, Mr. Kasme, it's been. I think you've enjoyed the journey so far. So, just like a brief review of what your thoughts concerning the farm tour you just witnessed is. Just some brief feedback.
Yeah, it's okay. I'm Mr. Kasme. Friends and family call me Mr. Kas. It was a very enjoyable trip for me here.
For days with what I saw on the farm, because I thought just like a bush that they are taking us to. But when I got there, in fact, it's beyond what I thought. They have already have some area that is already planted with sucker, the clear bushes, and they even have a lot of land to be developed. So I think I'm in the right place.
Before coming to this place, I've always been a passionate agriculturalist and a passionate farmer. But when I heard about Dufma, I saw it as a great opportunity to partner with the company because it's something I've been looking forward to. So I'm getting down here. In fact, it meets all of my expectations, and like very much, because of all I've seen so far, I believe that the organization have a lot to offer that's yet to come. So it's been an impressive and very nice experience so far. So I really enjoyed it and I hope to do more.
Okay, so
seriously, why I wanted to embark on this journey is because I wanted to verify the authenticity of the claims made by the companies, the physical existence of the land itself, whether they have even started any work there or not, the ownership, everything. And when I come here, lo and behold, I was able to verify the farm is there, the land is so very extensive, wide and all that, and they have even started planting some plantations there. So just coming out from the inside the bush and enjoying myself.
That's okay. That's okay. So if you had the opportunity to come back again to another farm tour, would you likely make yourself available? Or
Definitely.
Okay, thank you so much. This farm tour is you've been to the farm sites, you've seen recent developments that are happening. What is your feedback? What were the things you felt with regards to what you saw on the farm?
I feel great, honestly, because it's been an impressive view. And honestly, before coming to this place, I've always been a passionate agriculturalist and a passionate farmer. But when I heard about Dufma, I saw it as a great opportunity to partner with the company because it's something I've been looking forward to. So I'm getting down here. In fact, it meets all of my expectations, and like very much, because of all I've seen so far, I believe that the organization have a lot to offer that's yet to come. So it's been an impressive and very nice experience so far. So I really enjoyed it.
We're working. Could you tell us the kind of crops or plants that you saw that you could identify for yourself?
I saw plantain, little ones. Maybe they're just beyond the nursery. They've been recently planted. Surprisingly, I may be wrong, but I think I saw something that looks like pineapple.
Pineapple.
I may be wrong.
Oh, who knows? It's a big land.
Then pawpaw trees.
Of course, pawpaw. I know you're going to mention pawpaw now.
Just in case we have, more farm tours to come up in the future, would you like to be a part of
In fact,
it?
I'll be the first.
Okay, that's
Because
wonderful.
I enjoy the trip because everything is real. Thank you.
That's wonderful. Thank you so much for your time, ma'am. That's okay. So, if you had the opportunity to come back again to another farm tour, would you like to make yourself available? Or
Definitely.
okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much. If we're holding more farm tours in the next coming time, and bring the announcement out, would you want to be a part of it too?
Definitely, yes. It's something I've always been looking out for. Even more prepared than we can actually ask for. So I want to encourage every other person that or that say they might have been skeptic about partnering in agriculture, but that Dufma they should have that always partner.
Okay. Well. Seeing the signpost, experiencing this yourself with other, farmland winners and employees of Dufma, what would you say regarding the legitimacy of this whole, opportunity?
Well, in my own opinion, I think it's a grand project and it has come to stay. So, in my view, it's 100% or 110% legit. We know there are challenges here and there, but we pray to God to make the project successful.
Now that we're now going back to Lagos State, what will be in your mind? Like say that this journey is actually one that you won't forget. But after today, do you somehow see yourself taking a step further into the world of agriculture beyond just being a farmland owner? Do you have any things that might come up in your mind after this, event?
Well, definitely, yes. After this event, I think it has opened up this like curiosity.
Yes.
To know more about agriculture. Now I've seen like there's so much to know about agriculture. So definitely, I would love to delve more into it.
All right. Thank you very much. While living here, what would be in your mind regarding agriculture? Would have different things start coming to your mind regarding the opportunities that you yourself can maximize later on in the future in agriculture?
Yes, I would say it's important to get exposed and collaborate, basically, because one can't do everything. As long as you join forces with every other person, I guess there's a lot to achieve with agriculture, especially with young people.
That's lovely. And what size of land was given to you?
Yeah, I can't actually remember.
Okay.
I think that was
900 square meter size of the land. Oh, to farm either cashew or plantain. All right, I believe. So, what will be your choice? Cashew money. It's all right. Thank you very much for this opportunity, sir. We appreciate it.
Thank you.
All right, now. Thank you very much. Ciao. All right, we are now. As you can see, thank you very much, man. Chick. Thank you.
Thank you for having me.
All right, that's Mr. Everybody, back to Lagos. So some of us will sleep tight today. Mr. T.